www.gibsontruckworld.com 2005 Ford F-150 XLT Crew Cab Monster, only 64k miles, riding on a 6-inch lift kit with 4 brand new 325 Nitos and 18-inch Dixepic wheels. 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, CD player, keyless entry, alarm, chrome Nerf bars, bed liner, tailgate extender, towing package, power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. With over 50 monsters in stock, Gibson Truck World is your monster truck headquarters. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive 15-day return policy. Honest, reliable, loyal,